Dear students, welcome to the revision class of the chapter determinants. Now, Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This revision class is only for the commerce students. Today we are going to discuss how to solve the linear equations using determinant. The linear equation using determinant is called the Cramer's rule. Okay. So third type question, what is third type question? What is Cramer's rule? Third type question is what is Cramer's rule? Today's that is revision class 2, 3, and this is revision class 3 for commerce. Okay, today's topic is what? Cramer's rule. What is Cramer's rule? Today's topic is what is Cramer's rule? Here question. Cramer's the question will be theoretical for 2 mark or 3 mark question. What is Cramer's rule? It is the method of solving linear equations, linear equation by using determinants. It is the method of solving of linear equation by using determinants according to the name of Professor Cramer. This rule is known as Cramer's rule. Okay. So what is the process or what is the methods, what are the steps to find the values of the unknown variable, that is to solve linear equation by using Cramer's rule. Now let's see the process. What is the process to solve linear equation? To solve using Cramer's rule. That is for two linear equations, solve for two variables. That is equation of two variables. A1x plus b1y is equal to k1. A2x plus b2y is equal to k. Now solve this. First we have to write, this is the question, solve using Cramer's rule. Okay, so this is question. First write D. D means what? First write this solution is equal to what? Solution is equal to, now answer is, solution is, let D is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2 and find determinants A1, B2, B2 minus A2 B1. This should not be 0. If determinant equal to 0, then Cramer's rule is not applicable. Okay. For delta is equal to 0, Cramer's rule is not applicable. One more question. Cramer's rule is applied when delta or D equal to 0. This is the one more question. So now D1 is equal to what? D1 is equal to, D1 means what? Remove the column 1 and insert the right hand sides. So this is equal to K1, K2, B1, B2. Okay. And find its value. Find it. Now D2 is equal to what? Look at the determinant D, and D2 means remove column 2, insert right side. माने column 2 remove करिबो right side रे K1 K2 सेटा column 2 लिखिबो. तो A1 A2 K1 K2. Okay. एटा find it. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to D1 by D and y is equal to D2 by D, where D not equal to 0. Jodi D 0 है जो undefined. One example related to this type. Okay. One example. Look. One example. This is solved by Cramer's rule. Okay. Solved by Cramer's rule. Solved by Cramer's rule. So, what is this? Solved by Cramer's rule. Solved by Cramer's rule. This is question. X plus 2y is equal to 1. X minus 3y is equal to suppose 2. Okay. So let's solve this question. Solution. Write the equations. X plus 2y is equal to 1. X minus 3y is equal to 2. Let D is equal to, write x coefficient 1 here, 1 1. Y coefficient 2 minus 3. Find this here. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Now D1 equal to, now D1 means what? जो कॉलम 1 टा बाहर कर दबो राइट साइड केंति अछि सेटा लिखिबो बोले कोन अछि कॉलम 1 टा 1 टा लिखिबोनी कॉलम 1 बदले 1 बोली राइट साइड 1 2 2 minus 3 आर वेरीफाई करो -3 -2 -7. नाउ D2 is equal to एबे कोन करबा कॉलम 2 को रिमूव करे राइट साइड एबे लिखिबा तो कॉलम 1 सेम रहइबो 1 1 कॉलम 2 उठिकी तापर राइट साइड एलिमेंट 1 प्लस पड़िबो 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Now x is equal to what? Now x is equal to what? X is equal to, this is x is equal to, okay, that D1 by, that is D1 by D. So D1 means what? D1 is equal to minus D1 equal to what? Minus 7 by minus 5. So answer is 7 by 5. Okay. D1 minus 7, D whose minus 5. Now y is equal to what? D2 by D. D2 by D. So D2 is equal to what? 1. And D means what? D is equal to minus 5. So answer is x value. This is one answer and this is another value of x and this is value of y. These are the process to find the derivative, the values of the variable using Cramer's rule. Now this is for two variables and there is two equations, and now to discuss. Now we will discuss three equations, that is three variables, for three variables. Okay. Now solve the following equations. Solve the following equations using Cramer's rule. using Cramer's rule. One question I will do here. Okay, from question you will get the concept of the three variables. Or suppose this is what? Suppose general question is suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to k1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to a2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to a3. Similarly, let d is equal to a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Find its value. This should not be given. Okay. d1 is equal to, d1 means what? In place of column 1, write k1, k2, k3. k1, k2, k3. Other two columns remain same. That is b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Now d2 is equal to what? Now d2 is equal to, write the right hand side elements for column 2. That is a1, a2, a3, k1, k2, k3 and c1, c2, c3. Find its value. Okay. Find d1, find d2. Then d3 is equal to what? d3 is equal to for column 3 right hand side elements a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. k1, k2, k3. Okay. k1, k2, k3. Find it. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to d1 by d. Y equal to what? d2 by d. Z is equal to what? d3 by d. Now one particular question, that is example of the theoretical concept. Solve using Cramer's rule. Okay, so x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0, and x plus y plus z is equal to minus 1. This is the question. Okay, solve. So answer will be what? So answer will be write the determinants. This is, you have to read solution given equations. This is the actual process to get good marks. Okay, given equation x plus y minus z is equal to 1, 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0, then x plus y plus z is equal to minus 1. Now let d is equal to what? 1, 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. 5 its value. Okay, 5 its value. So this will be what? This will be x1. So this is equal to 1 into, got this row, this column, minus 1, 1, 1, 1. Then minus 1 into, got this row, this column. So 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Again the plus of minus 1, plus sign, but element is minus 1. Cancel this 2, 2, minus 1, 1. So this is equal to 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1. This is minus, plus minus minus. Okay, minus 1, 2, plus 1. So this is minus 2, and this is what? Minus 1, and this is what? Minus 2. Correct. So this will be what? 1 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and minus 1 minus 1 2 into 1 2 minus 1 and minus 1. This is 2. Okay, minus 1 into 2. Correct. Check this. Correct. So 2 plus 1. So this is equal to what? This will be minus 2 and this is what? 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 and 2 plus 1, that is minus 3. So this will be minus 6. Okay, this will be minus 6. Now d1 is equal to what? Now d1 is equal to write as right hand element for the first element. So d1 is equal to what? d1 is equal to 1, this is 0 minus 1. Okay, this is not visible, and write this. Space is not here. So write this. What is d1? Now d1 is equal to what? 1 eta लिखिए 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 बाकी कॉलम टू कॉलम के सेम थे. तो 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, and find its value. That is d1 is equal to what? 1 into this goes, so remaining here what? Minus 1 1 1 1. Then minus 1 into what? Minus 1 into got this and this. This is 0 1 minus 1 1, right? This and this goes as 0 1 minus 1 1. Again plus or minus 1 into got this. What? Got this. So 0 minus 1 minus 1 what? Minus 1, this is for this 0 1 minus 1 1. Again this is for this 0 minus 1 minus 1 1. Find its value, that is 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. This is plus minus minus 0 minus 1. So delta 1 is equal to what? 1 into minus 2 and minus 1, and this is what? Plus 1. So this is minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. This will be what? This will be minus. Again check again. 1 into this row, this column cancel. So minus 1 into 1 1 into 1. Then minus 1 into this cancel this 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 minus 1. Now minus plus of minus 1 is equal to what? 0 minus 1 minus 1 1. Correct. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 plus 1 minus plus minus minus 0. This is minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 is cancelled, minus 2. Now d2 is equal to what? D2 equal to remove column 2 and insert right hand side element. So what is column 1 here? 1 2 1. Remove column 2 and put the right hand element, that is 1 0 minus 1. And what is this? The third is 1. So minus 1 1 1. Now find its value. So this will be what? 1 into got this, we will do directly. So got this and this 0 into 1 0 plus 1. Okay, and minus 1 into got this 2 minus 1. I will do directly. And plus or minus 1 into what? 2 into minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 2 comma 0. Okay, first one is 1 into what? This 0 plus 1. Second one is 1 into minus 1 into 2 minus 1. And third is plus or minus 1 is plus or minus 1 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so 1, this is equal to what? Minus 1, and this is equal to what? Plus 1. plus 2, that is 3 plus 1 minus 1, this is 2. And D3 is equal to what? Copy, remove the column 3 and put the right hand side. This is 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and this is 1, 0 minus 1. 5 bits value. Okay, 5 bits value. So 1 into, we can do directly 1 into what? This minus 2, okay, 0, minus 2, minus 0, and minus 1 into what? This. So this is what? 1 into what? 1 into 1, 1 minus 0, and this minus 1 into what? 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 into, that is minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0, and plus 1 into what? This is 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 1, and this is plus 2, okay, and this is what? Plus 3. This is equal to 6. Now D1, D2, D3. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to, okay, x is equal to, now x is equal to what? X is equal to D1 by D. So what is D1? D1 is equal to minus 2, 5 of D equal to minus 6, that is 1 by 3. And y is equal to D2 by D. What is D2? 2 by minus 6, that is minus 1 by 3. And z is equal to what? D3. D3 by D, that is 6 by minus 6, this is equal to minus 1. ये सब कंप्लीट होला परे एक्चुअली कैलकुलेशन कोन रॉन्ग अछि चेक करबे गोटे प्रोसेस अछि कोन एक चेकिंग होछि देखो ठीक अछि ना चेकिंग एक चेकिंग करबे हमें आंसर तो करेक्ट होछि x वैल्यू केते आसला 1/3 फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फॉर इक्वेशन 1 गोटे जेको इक्वेशन है फॉर इक्वेशन 1 कोन अछि x plus y minus z is equal to 1. So x मान केते आसी 1/3, y मान केते आसी minus 1/3, z मान केते आसी minus 1, minus 1. So cancel ना, this is what? Z मान केते आसी minus z आसी, तो minus of minus plus z into minus of minus 1. So cancel, this is 1. So right side 1 अछि, हम put करे value 1 अछि. So this question, answer of this question is correct and calculation are correct. These are the concept of the chemistry. Now some questions, short questions from the chapter determinants. All the properties are the short questions, objective types, objective questions. Okay, objective questions. All the properties. Suppose you are given the value of a, question number 1, a rows of a determinant change into columns, then the value of determinant is this, then the value of determinant is this. This is the question. This is from property. If rows of the determinants are changed into columns, rows of the determinant are changed into columns, then the value of determinant remains same. What? Then the value of determinant is unchanged. Or suppose your option given unchanged, or even option is given remains same. Okay, which one is given? You have to write this. Either given, either unchanged in the option or remains same. Which one is given? And write this one. Number 2, Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule is applicable for delta is equal to dash. Delta for delta dash dash. You should write delta not equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. Another question. Sarus diagram method. Sarus diagram method. Method is applicable for dash. So answer is what? For third order determinant only. Okay. All the properties are the objective question. Suppose you are given another question. If A, B, C, D is equal to 5, then 3A, 3B, 2C, 2D is equal to dash. Same thing. Row 1 is multiplied by what? 3. So answer is what? Row 1 is multiplied by 3 and row 2 is multiplied by 2 and into value of the determinant. Into value of the 3 into 2 into 5. This is equal to 30, which is the answer. Another question. Suppose another question. What is the value of? This is question number 5. For third order determinant, which one is correct? Which one is correct? Which one? Last. This is A11, M11, A12, M12, A1 plus A13, M13. Number 2 bits A11, M11 minus A12, M12, A13, M13. Fourth one is A11, M21, A12, M22, A13, M33. Fourth one is none of these. Which one is correct? First one is correct. Okay. Now, question number 6. For third order determinants, this is question number 6. For third order determinant, which one is correct? Which one is correct? So this is A11 first, C11 plus A12, C12 plus A13, C13. Second one A11, C11 minus A12, C12 plus A13, C13. Third bit is A11, C21, A12, C22, A13, C23. And for fourth, none of these. Which one is correct? This one is correct. This one is wrong. Sorry, this one is correct. This is A11, and sorry, this is not correct. Plus minus plus here. Plus this should be minus. So this one is not correct. 1 1 1 2 1 3 plus minus this one is correct. So option B is correct. Okay. And this is wrong and this is option B is correct. Similarly, second option is equal here first option, because M12 is equal to minus of C1. So this is correct and this is correct. Okay. So this is wrong, because in case of minor, it should be followed by the sign plus minus. यदि कोफैक्टर देखिए सब जा प्लस रहेगा ना, माइनर थे हमरो जो डिटरमिनेंट एक्सपांड का साइन के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा, यदि कोफैक्टर देखिए सब जा प्लस है. ओके, these are the 6 one mark questions. And another question is, what is the value of? Another question number 7 is, find the value of x. The value of x if 2 3 minus x 1 5 is equal to 0. तो एट एक्सपर्ट कर दो कितना 10 minus of 3 minus x is equal to 0. That is 10 minus 3 minus plus x is equal to 3. That is 7 plus x is equal to 3. So x is equal to what? Minus 7. X is equal to what? Minus 7. Okay. X is equal to what? Minus 7. So this will be, so this is 10 minus 3 minus x. So 10 minus 3 plus x here. 10 minus 3 means what? 7. 7 plus x here. So x is equal to minus 7. If x is equal to minus 7, then this will be what? This will be 10 minus 0. Correct, satisfy the question. These are the questions, objective type questions. Thank you, have a nice day.